Welcome to Riverside Tai Chi. Got a question from somebody on Facebook. They wanted to know how I actually got into the martial arts. Well, one story that I can remember that influenced me or inspired me to get into the martial arts was I was about 6 years old. Okay, now I was born and I grew up. I still live in Harlem, New York, and back in the days things were a little bit rough, even as a 6-year-old, for 6-year-old kids, right? So I was standing outside my father's store. He owned like a corner candy store type thing. So I'm 6, I'm standing outside, probably eating some candy or something, and this woman, kind of dressed in like African garb, and her little son, he was older than I was, so I was probably about 8, so if I was 6, he was 8, a little bit bigger, and they just stopped right in front of me, and the woman says, "Get him." And then he just sidekicked me right in the stomach. I was I couldn't believe I was messed up. 6-year-old kid getting sidekicked. That's not cool. That's really not a cool thing. But, I was out of breath. I was all, crying and stuff like that. So, I ran into my father's store. I always had a bad temper, so I even though I was 6, little punk couldn't fight. So ran into the store, grabbed the first weapon that I could think of to go and get this guy with. It was a big giant iron rod that they used to pull down the gate when they're closing up the store. So I could barely carry it. I'm going outside. They're like, "Where are you going with that? What are you doing?" "I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him." But I got outside and the guy was gone. It's probably good because he probably would have kicked my ass again. Anyway, that was one thing. I felt really weak after that. I felt like insignificant. Even as a 6-year-old kid, it's like I have to do something about this. So I was always looking at the kung fu magazines, karate magazines, really back then, and I just always was wanting to do it. So that was one thing that inspired me. Usually that's the case with a lot of people. Getting your butt kicked will inspire you to start training and doing some type of martial arts. So that's really one thing that always stuck with me. And it took a while, different bits of training here and there, not really anything, serious. But then when I was 18, I really started. I got with my teacher, Jan Lang, and started training seriously, Tai Chi, Xing Yi, and Bagua, and it's been a progression from there ever since. So, but think about what inspires you. What inspires you to do stuff, and use that to your advantage. Never give up, never quit, always go for what you want. That's what's gonna get you where you need to go. So, I hope that was an interesting story, and talk to you soon.